Here is a list of 100 action verbs for beginners in simple present tense, each with a basic sentence for easy understanding. Run. I run every morning. Walk. She walks to school. Jump. They jump on the bed. Eat. We eat dinner at 7 p.m. Drink. He drinks juice every day. Sleep. The baby sleeps in the crib. Sit. I sit at my desk. Stand. She stands by the door. Play. They play soccer after school. Read. I read books every weekend. Write. He writes in his notebook. Sing. She sings beautifully. Dance. We dance at the party. Talk. They talk every evening. Listen. I listen to music in the car. Clap. The audience claps loudly. Swim. He swims in the pool. Laugh. She laughs at the joke. Cry. The baby cries when he is hungry. Cook. My mom cooks dinner every night. Open. I open the door for her. Close. He closes the window before leaving. Push. She pushes the shopping cart. Pull. He pulls the rope hard. Catch. The boy catches the ball. Throw. She throws the ball to him. Smile. She smiles when she is happy. Yawn. He yawns when he is tired. Drive. I drive to work every day. Ride. She rides her bike to school. Kick. The player kicks the ball. Hug. She hugs her friend. Kiss. They kiss before leaving. Wash. I wash my clothes on Sundays. Dry. She dries the dishes after dinner. Brush. He brushes his teeth twice a day. Comb. She combs her hair every morning. Shout. He shouts when he is angry. Whisper. She whispers to her friend in class. Look. I look at the stars at night. See. He sees the car outside. Hear. We hear the birds singing. Feel. I feel happy when it rains. Touch. She touches the soft blanket. Smell. He smells the flower in the garden. Taste. I taste the soup to check the salt. Cut. She cuts the paper with scissors. Sew. He sews his torn shirt. Bake. She bakes a cake for the party. Clean. I clean my room every Saturday. Draw. The child draws a picture with crayons. Paint. He paints the wall blue. Fold. She folds the laundry neatly. Bend. He bends down to pick up the toy. Lift. She lifts the box onto the table. Shake. He shakes his head in disagreement. Wave. She waves goodbye to her friends. Point. He points at the picture on the wall. Buy. I buy groceries every weekend. Sell. She sells flowers at the market. Break. He breaks the glass accidentally. Fix. She fixes the broken chair. Build. They build a sand castle at the beach. Find. I find my keys on the table. Lose. He loses his pen at school. Give. She gives a gift to her friend. Take. I take my lunch to work. Help. They help their mother with the dishes. Teach. She teaches English at the school. Learn. He learns new words every day. Study. I study for my exams in the evening. Understand. He understands the lesson well. Forget. She forgets her homework at home. Remember. I remember your birthday. Wait. We wait for the bus at the station. Hurry. She hurries to catch the train. Chase. The dog chases the cat. Stop. He stops the car at the red light. Start. I start my day with a cup of coffee. Begin. The class begins at 9 a.m. End. The movie ends at 8 p.m. Plan. She plans her weekend activities. Rest. They rest after a long day. Work. I work at a company downtown. Jump. The frog jumps into the pond. Laugh. We laugh at the funny movie. Cry. The baby cries when she is sleepy. Smile. He smiles at the camera. Celebrate. We celebrate birthdays with cake. Agree. She agrees with the plan. Disagree. He disagrees with his friend. Ask. I ask questions in class. Answer. She answers the phone quickly. Choose. I choose the blue shirt. Decide. They decide to go to the park. Deliver. The delivery man delivers the package. Follow. She follows the instructions carefully. Lead. He leads the team to victory. Think. I think about my plans for the weekend. Dream. She dreams about traveling the world.